Using a cotton pad, dab on a cleanser suitable for your skin or your client's skin and clean off any dirt on the face, using downwards and outwards motion. Next, apply a toner suitable for the skin as well on a clean cotton pad and apply gently on the skin, using outwards and downwards motion as well. Remember to extend the cleansing and the toning to the jawline. Apply a lip balm on the lips with a lip brush to keep the lips moisturized ahead of the lip application. Next step is to moisturize the skin. Use a moisturizer suitable for your skin type or your client's skin type and either apply with clean fingers, a latex sponge or wedge. Dab the moisturizer onto the face and blend, using downwards and outwards motion as well.